I'm totally fine. I'm fine. I'm fine, Morrison. Ever heard of the hot Nashville fried chicken? That's for losers. Because we're gonna make something that's gonna burn out of all your holes for at least 3 weeks. This might be one of the worst ideas ever, but every now and then I get these ideas and let me just show you what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the Carolina Reaper. Not just any Carolina Reaper.
The hot Carolina Reaper.
This one's already dried and I stacked up. I made sure we had enough to make something that is crazy hot, and don't worry, we got professionals here. Morrison is a real professional and he will be testing the hottest food for us. Aren't you, Morrison?
Yeah.
Is it getting better or is it getting worse?
No, it's getting worse.
It's hot.
Our bodies are already screaming, no, no, no. It's like the memory effect. If I smell the Carolina Reaper alone, I already get that effect of, no, no. But we're going to do it anyway. Do we do it for them? Is it like really, is it like, are we getting that to be that channel where we do stupid things for people to watch? I called you and I said we're doing Nashville hot chicken and you were really happy about it.
Yeah.
And then I told you we're gonna put Carolina Reaper on it.
And then sad face.
And then Morrison started crying. All right, let's start cooking. We're gonna start with brining our chicken. Half a liter or 2 cups of buttermilk, a tablespoon of coarse sea salt, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika powder. Mix that all up and set it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. We're getting to the dangerous part now because we're gonna need to wait for the chicken to brine. And now we're gonna basically, well, it's like building a bomb in your backyard. We're gonna be making something that's exciting to make, but the consequences might be really, really terrible. It might be really terrible, Morrison. You don't want to be the guy that opens up these packs without doing the proper preparations. So I got gloves.
That's a lot of pepper.
Yeah, but I wanted to put I wanted to just put it casual. I saw it online and I thought, wow, look at that. Oh. You want to eat one, Morrison?
No.
Just give it like a little nibble?
No.
This is good for your health, Morrison. We have a new editor and he's called Jim. He's like Morrison back in the day and he really wants to try this. He would love to be here and eat this and do that experiment. So if you want to see Jim eat a Carolina Reaper on camera one day, just let us know in the comment down below. Jim is going to be happy to do it. He wants to do it. Do you think so? I think so. Don't feel any pressure.
But it would be cooler if you did.
Marshall, challenge accepted.
All right, we're gonna grind this up. I got my coffee grinder and I'm gonna put it in there, but we were outside and it's so super windy, we had to go inside and we had to make sure that there's no wind. Otherwise, it would be like pepper spray times 100. So we definitely don't want that. I'm gonna take off the stems of the Carolina Reaper. It's like pulling the plug on a grenade. This is gonna be bad. We could just do something else, Marshall. We could just call this whole video the nicest, the best hot fried chicken and put a little bit of cayenne pepper in. We could still back down. You want to do this still?
Yeah.
We're going to grind this first. And I know when I grind it and I open it up, ooh. And I haven't even eaten any of it. I haven't touched any of it with my nose or... Why do I keep sniffing my nose like that? That's not good, because every time I sniff it gets worse. What do you think? How will we do on hot ones? You think we're safe, or do you think we're gonna look like a bunch of...
No, we're gonna do fine. We're gonna do better than Gordon Ramsay, that's for sure.
Better than Gordon Ramsay, that's for sure. That's like, we beat the bully. And I want that on record. Whew. It just came like out of the jar, like, whew. I saw like the cloud coming like at me. And now it's in my nose. So stupid. Why am I so stupid? I'm seriously doubting my life choices. We got a jar full, man. Since it's an airtight container, I can rinse it off on the outside, clean everything, and have all the dangerous stuff right in the jar. And the outside is completely safe. We made it. Oh, God. Oh. We made it. Let's set up the breading station. We'll start with 1 kilogram of all-purpose flour, add a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, add a tablespoon of coarse ground black pepper, a tablespoon of salt, and finish off with a tablespoon of onion powder. Now we'll mix that up, and then we'll crack open 6 eggs until they're loose. Now my breading station's all set up. I got my chicken, flour, my eggs, I got my pan ready with oil. All I'm missing is a hot grill to heat the oil. So let's fire it up. In the meantime, we're going to be making our crazy hot chicken rub, consisting of 1 part salt, half a part of black pepper, 1/8 part garlic powder, half a part onion powder, and here it comes, half a part cayenne pepper, and 1 part Reaper powder. And oh, that's a little bit too much. Well, I guess we'll survive. Of course, with every sandwich, oh God. It squirted right out, Morrison. All I wanted to do is put some mayonnaise on my sandwich. That's what I wanted to say. It just came at me. I just wanted to say, look, I got a nice toasty bun. Look, you see? And then the second thing that we're gonna need is pickles. You see the pickles, they are acidic. And when you get your fat from your fried chicken, you need something to dissolve all that hard fried stuff, like that fat. It's gotta be brightened up, and that's what the pickles do. So they are important, just as important as the mayonnaise and the fried chicken. And here comes the star of our show, the fried chicken. Look at it. It went from an ugly, cheap piece of chicken to like a gorgeous golden nugget of goodness. And now you think, oh, barbecue sauce on. The juiciness is on the inside. That's where the barbecue sauce is. All that chicken fat that rendered down and is still captured inside that crispy outside. Whew, man, look at this sandwich. Now tell me, you're not hungry. Now we got our beautiful sandwich and it's finished, but this is the ordinary one. Just a little cayenne pepper and nothing else, nothing special. Now we need to make the one that I'm fearing. Let's do the habanero. I wish it was habanero. Why don't we use habanero? And here's our Carolina Reaper rub. And I didn't even put my gloves on, but I want to get a good amount on because I don't want to do like a half-ass job or something. I want it to be like real, you know?
Wait, the other side as well?
Both sides, of course. You're going to start, right? This is your sandwich.
People that want to try this at home, start with the one without. All right, here we go. I'm so happy right now. On the other hand, I know that I'm so much crying later on. But it makes me so happy right now.
Do we have like an emergency plan? What do we do?
Well, the milk is inside, right?
Milk is inside, it's not here. I thought we'd be cool guys, not have water, not have milk around, be like, really?
Yeah, because the most horrible part about that pepper that I ate, it was that I already ate the whole pepper. There's no way to get to back out of it.
That's a good thing.
There's no exit.
But that's the good thing. Should we give the dog like a piece of fried chicken too, just to make sure if afterwards we're not able to anymore. Okay, we fed the dog. Is there anything else we need to do before this happens? Did we make sure we checked everything?
Yeah.
You're gonna go first, right?
Yep. I'm gonna start with the one bite. It's coming.
It's not that
L is beginning. Let's get some milk. It's starting.
There we go. I like that heat. It's really good. Ooh. Why, Marcin? Why did you make it look so easy? And why did I just lick my lips? Oh God.
It's definitely hot. I swear. It's hot.
Let's agree not making anything Carolina Reaper for a while. Okay?
Oh,
But the thing is, it tastes so good. Yes, if you eat it, it feels safe and you don't feel the heat. But when you stop eating, it goes everywhere.
it's still good. It's actually still nice. This is really spicy. Now I'm finished and I can't eat anymore. So now the pain comes.
Oh God. Oh. Ooh. On the before part, compared to this, I was totally fine. But now I feel my stomach as well.
Why do I keep doing this?
I'm totally fine. I'm fine. I'm fine, Marcin.
No, but let's just first discuss it.
What? What do you want to discuss?
It's fun. It's fun. Right?
No, it's not fun.
It's fun.
Let's finish off the video, Marcin.
It's like
Oh!
it's a really nice sandwich.
I don't want to talk about it anymore.
Until you finish it, right? then it comes the horrible part.
That's it. So you said what you wanted to say. Let's finish it off.
Okay. Guys, I hope you really enjoyed Pitmaster X suffering and me, but yeah, he's just suffering more.
And why is that?
Oh yeah, you put more on.
But why?
Why is that?
Yeah, because you acted like nothing was wrong. So I thought.
You saw me after.
But you looked fine. I thought totally fine. There's nothing wrong.
Yeah, but because I ate a ghost pepper before. I know what to do. I know how my body needs to act when I'm suffering. You just have to hold tight, cleanse, do everything, and then you're gonna be fine.
No.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel like
and
that.
You have to move. You have to keep on moving. You do like this. You can't stand still. Keep on moving. That's how you survive this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank all the patrons, all the YouTube members. He's gonna be fine, I think.
We're not gonna do more videos like this.
No. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time in a new video.
What? Don't expect anything of me.
Oh, okay. Okay.
What are you expecting of me? I'm talking like I'm drunk.
All right. Eet smakelijk and
keep on grilling.
yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah. Spicy food is fun.
Dude, do you know that there are people like that have spicy channels? God. Buttermilk. Hand me over the buttermilk.